Today's objectives: to solve 2x2 systems of equations, to know and use least common multiples, to solve multi-step equations. Example. In this case here, notice you have a -4 and a +4. -4, +4 in this spot. No need to multiply anything. You simply have to add. When you do, those cancel out. And now you have 3 plus 5. That's going to be 8. And then -5 plus 77 is 72. 72 divided by 8 is 9. Now you have an option of plugging that back in here or here, whichever you want to use. I'm going to use the top one. So that's -4x plus 3 times 9 equals -5. Simplify to get 27. Move that 27 to the right and make it minus 27. I cannot keep the equal signs lined up because I don't have enough room. And simplify the right, that would be -32. Divide by -4, you should get 8. Final answer is 8, 9. Practice. 5x plus 2y equals 40 and -x plus y equals -8. Solve the system of equations. The solution for the practice problem. You have a 5 and a 1. Ignore the negative sign for right now. 5 and 1. That means we multiply the bottom by 5. The top one doesn't have to change. 5x plus 2y equals 40 remains on the top, but on the bottom you now have -5x plus 5y equals -40. Add them together to get rid of the x's. So those cancel out and you'll have 2 plus 5. That is a 7. And then 40 plus a -40 is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. Now plug that back into this one or this one. I am going to use the top one. That would be 5x plus 2 times 0 equals 40. And of course this simplifies to 0. You can drop it and you'll have 40 divided by 5, which is 8. Final answer should be 8, 0. X plus 4y equals 42 and -3x plus 4y equals 18. Solve the system of equations. On this practice problem, you can take a different approach that might be easier for you. Notice you have a 1 and a 3 out here on the left. 1 and 3. But take a look at the y's. For the y's, you have 4 and 4. You can eliminate the y's if you want to. And if they're the same number, just go ahead and do that. You have a +4y and a +4y. What operation do we do if the numbers have the same sign? Subtract, yes. So when you do that, these are gone. And now you have to do 1 minus a -3. 1 minus a -3 is 4. And then 42 minus 18 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Now go back and plug it in, but remember you're not plugging in y, you're plugging in x. I'll choose the top one. Now we're plugging in for x, so this should be 6 plus 4y equals 42. And move that 6 over, make it minus. Simplify to get 36. Divide to get 9. Your final answer should be 6, 9.